my favorite lures to fish with in springtime is this Buzzbait by Guggen Squad. It catches a lot of fish, especially in the night and in the morning. Really good lure. Also this Berkley Stunna. This catches a lot of fish, especially any time of the day. This Frittside 5 Berkley, springtime, red, really good. And the Swim Jig, reel it a little slower, will catch you a lot of fish. Made by Guggen Squad, really good. With the Saucy Swimmer trailer. Them are my personal favorite fishing lures to fish with in springtime.